मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Kiddo, you have eaten the pizza also. Now tell us your home address.
I can't seem to remember.
Then at least give us your home telephone number.
1 0 0.
Idiot, this is the police's number. Here you go, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Sorry, dashing Inspector. Here are your garlic breads.
So you had called 100 number to give this to me?
Yes, yes, indeed.
Then it's fine. We don't like it when someone calls us for work.
Look at this, sir.
Oh, yes? No, no, this is not him. There were two of them. This is one.
You know,
Round Singh.
yes, Inspector.
Let's go on our round.
I'm getting really bored here, Uncle.
Smart boy. Now quickly tell us your address.
Yes, on one condition, Uncle. First, you have to bring my friends here. Then I will tell you my home address.
What's the benefit of bringing his friends here?
Hey, idiot, more kids, more money.
Dad, balloon! Kidnap!
Hey, where did my gogi go?
Move from here. Kidnapped. Oh dear, where did she go? Kidnapped.
Where have we come, Tappu?
Wasn't I telling you about the kidnappers outside the school?
Yes, yes.
These are the two.
Hello, kids.
Does this mean we have been kidnapped? Only I have been kidnapped. Okay, tell me, what will you all eat? This chubby uncle's pizza is very tasty.
He makes.
No, he brings it. For me, a mushroom pizza with extra cheese.
A double-decker burger for me. Pizza for me too. And juice.
Oh. Hey, idiot, we are not waiters, we are kidnappers. Kidnappers. Stop acting like waiters, you moron. Oh.
But uncle, we all are very hungry. You will have to order pizza and juice for us.
Hey kids, pizza and juice are very harmful, you know. I'll do one thing. I'll make lemon juice for every one of you. It will be fun, you know. Sell this and bring pizza and juice for them.
I have already recited ABCD for you, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Yes, that's the one. Dashing Inspector.
Where are you going?
To get pizza for the kids.
To get pizza for kids? How many children are there?
4. I'm leaving. Otherwise, these kids will create a ruckus.
There was only one child in the afternoon. How come it became 4 so quickly? Where is the kidnapper's poster, Round Singh?
There's a poster.
Hey, the poster!
think it's about to be night. Don't you want to go home? Quickly tell me your home address.
It's no use, uncle. Our parents won't give you a single penny. They will say you can just keep us with you. Your whole plan is wrong, uncle.
How's that?
If you had kidnapped my dad instead of me, you would have got any prize you asked for.
Where should I kidnap your father from?
Wrong question again. You should be asking that how to kidnap my dad. Come here.
Oh, very interesting. ITIRST. Take this, sell this too.
Hey, hey, Kapu, what is this mischief, huh?
It's not mischief, it's reality, Dad. We all have been kidnapped.
What?
Now, whatever you have, take it out quietly.
Brother, I have only this much money, which I came here counting. Here, take this.
Smart boy,
Hey.
now tell me quickly, where do you keep your money?
My money. Daya handles it.
Paper, scissor.
Daya, how did you get here?
My brother got me here.
Oh, Sundar. When did Sundar come here?
Oh no, the one a kid's game is named after.
What, tag? Oh, Daya, how can tag be a brother, huh?
Oh no, the one kids do when they make a mistake.
Daya, will you stop playing this hide and seek of words? Huh?
Yes, that one.
What? Luca? Luca is the name of this kidnapper.
No, Chuppy. My brother Chuppy brought me here. This brother Chuppy told me that you needed money. So I brought the money for you.
This Daya will one day get me robbed for sure.
Here you go, Tappu's father. I brought everything I had.
Hey? Hey Daya, today for the first time I'm happy about you being like this.
But Tappu's father, please tell me why you are hiding here with all the children of Gokuldham.
Hey Daya, we have all been kidnapped.
Oh my goodness me. I will go get the police right now.
Hey? Huh?
No one can leave until you give money to me.
Here you go.
Not coins. I want notes. I have already spent so much money. My gold chain and bracelet are also gone.
I don't have notes. But yes, Sodiji is supposed to give us our money today.
Kidnapped.
That money I have kept with Roshan.
Kidnapped. Oh, Daya, today I made spicy okra just the way you do. Look, it has turned out very delicious.
When?
Oh wow! I also love spicy okra. I am fed up with you. Sometimes you want this, sometimes that. Have you come for a feast?
But uncle, we are your guests, aren't we?
Not guest. You people are devils. Do you understand devils?
Stop, you fool!
Hey.
Just tell me straight, where is the money? I will count to 3.
Why? Don't you know how to count beyond that, uncle?
Oh, you turned out to be a huge devil.
Huh? Oh, Dada. Yeah!
Very interesting. Dashing Inspector, arrest them.
Yes, they have robbed us, ruined us.
Yes, they ate up my gold chain, ring, watch, everything.
Both match. How long will they play hide and seek with us? Thank you, Google. I'm so sorry.
You're welcome, sir.